So, guys, Zion responded after the Day One reunion show, and you can see the public statement. Guy made a shocking revelation that Chinwe, that he can't do what Chinwe does for money, and he just reflected on pushing drugs and then having sodomic relationship with women behind him. Like, could it be that Chinwe is doing she's bi? So Chinwe clarified something also, saying that Zinwe ship is dead and buried. Nobody should talk about it again. That good riddance to parasitic relationship. It was trash while it lasted. I beg, you can go through my screen and read word for word, as Zion could not help it. I know that after Zion sees this first day reunion show, I know he must definitely be forced to say something, or the family must be forced to say something, because Chinwe, what she watched down Zion like she finished that guy. So me, I know I was expecting reaction, because I know that once that guy sees that video, he will be prompted to say something. He will be pushed to say something. So now he has said a lot. And guys, if you are the type that loves gist like me, just kindly go through all these things I shared, because he was talking and talking. Then Chinwe had to also respond, and then people were now saying a lot. People are like, "Oh, why didn't you talk since?" And you kept quiet. Now that the thing has begun to air, you now decided to talk. Stuff like that. So people have their way of grieving. So I'm not even blaming him for anything. It's okay for him to air out. I know that in as much as Chinwe is, just like I said in my previous video, if you have not seen it, go to that Day One video I just dropped. You will see that I was saying that in as much as Chinwe is hot, she's not supposed to say all those things. It's more like, finishing the ego of that guy, like he's a nothing or nobody. So that's what I feel in this situation. But guys, enjoy the whole thing that Zion wrote. But one thing I know for sure is that both will actually regret all these things they are doing in public. They will regret all this embarrassment they just gave themselves, all because of uncontrollable emotions and all of that, and probably unsettled circumstances. That's what I feel. And then I hope that they find their peace at the end of the day, because everything is now in the open. People will now allow to judge, and there will be Team Zion and then Team Shim, of course, and they will begin to massacre themselves as usual after the reunion. See you guys in my next video. And please, if you are new here, please kindly just click on that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. Always drop your comments and likes. It helps me a lot to know what you like. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.